How to create your first webinar presentation. Creating a beautifully crafted webinar presentation involves careful planning, design, and execution to captivate your audience and effectively convey your message. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an amazing webinar presentation. Define your objectives and audience. Clearly outline the objectives of your webinar presentation and identify your target audience. Understanding your goals and who you're speaking to will guide the content and design of your presentation. Choose a compelling topic. Select a topic that is relevant, interesting, and valuable to your audience. Choose something you're knowledgeable about and passionate about sharing. Consider the needs and interests of your audience when selecting your topic. Plan your content structure. Outline the structure of your presentation, including an introduction, main content sections, and a conclusion. Break down your content into logical segments and organize it in a way that flows smoothly and maintains the audience's interest. Craft engaging visuals. Design visually appealing slides that complement your content and enhance audience engagement. Use high-quality images, graphics, and multimedia elements to illustrate key points and keep your audience visually stimulated. Keep slides clean and minimalistic. Avoid cluttered slides with too much text or distracting animations. Keep your slides clean, simple, and easy to read. Use a consistent color scheme, font style, and layout throughout your presentation for a cohesive look. Use compelling storytelling. Incorporate storytelling techniques to make your presentation more engaging and memorable. Use anecdotes, examples, and real-life scenarios to connect with your audience on a personal level and illustrate your points effectively. Practice your delivery. Rehearse your presentation multiple times to ensure you're comfortable with the content and flow. Practice speaking clearly and confidently, and aim to maintain a conversational tone to keep your audience engaged. Include interactive elements. Incorporate interactive elements such as polls, quizzes, or Q&A sessions to actively engage your audience and encourage participation. Interactive features can help break up the monotony of a one-way presentation and make it more engaging for attendees. Provide value and takeaways. Offer valuable insights, tips, or actionable advice that attendees can apply to their own lives or work. Provide tangible takeaways or resources that add value to your presentation and leave a lasting impression on your audience. End with a strong call to action. Conclude your presentation with a clear and compelling call to action that prompts attendees to take the next step. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, booking a consultation, or purchasing a product, make it easy for attendees to follow through on your desired action. Seek feedback and iterate. After your webinar presentation, solicit feedback from attendees to gather insights and identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to refine your presentation skills and content for future webinars. By following these steps, you can create a beautifully crafted webinar presentation that effectively engages your audience, delivers valuable insights, and leaves a lasting impression. Remember to tailor your presentation to the needs and preferences of your audience and continuously seek opportunities for improvement based on feedback and insights.